Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube Shorts likes, comments and share option not showing problems. So let's see how to fix it. At first, go to your Play Store, search bar, search for YouTube. Now YouTube update is available. And go to your full settings, scroll down little bit, click apps, just wait, search icon, search for YouTube, scroll down little bit, click on storage, click on clear cache and click on clear data, click on delete, okay, go back, click on for stop, click on ok, scroll up, click on permissions. Now all permission is enabled. Go back to home screen and now restart your device. Okay, and reopen your YouTube apps. Click on short icon. Subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.